To fix the Parsec Error 6023. So here's one way you could possibly do this, since the error itself can be caused by internet connections or something similar to that. So make sure you have a stable internet connection, turn off some VPNs or something like that, since the VPN can cause those errors. Don't mind this little thing over here. Another thing you can put in mind is you can go ahead here to your search bar and search for a firewall. Not for a firewall, but search for firewall. So exactly this one from the control panel, which is the Windows Defender firewall. Open that up and you're going to have to navigate to this. Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender firewall. Over here, you're going to have to allow the Parsec install, not the installer, but Parsec itself through this. So you're going to go ahead and press on change settings over here and allow another app. Then browse to the Parsec file that you downloaded. So you're gonna have to find that file specifically. So in our case, we just found it in our downloads. So it's gonna show up here anyway. So you will be able to confirm that it was the Parsec app or software. So no, you don't have to press on Parsec. Just go ahead and choose add already, since it should be already toggled on. So press on add, and you go ahead and see over here, the Parsec will also be allowed. So you can go ahead and try doing the process and parse it again to see if the error still persists. So that's an option you can go ahead and try. And again, put in mind that make sure your internet connection is stable when you're doing this, since the internet can be one of the main reasons why this error is happening. But hopefully the information of this video can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.